Hey everybody, it's Andy. I know it's been a while since the last time I output a video. Recently, I've been very busy both with my job and with a bit of another hobby. I've been playing a lot of the trading card game Flesh and Blood. However, I still have had some time to keep myself integrated with the carry world, and today I just got in this new package from Bellroy that I thought I would share with all of you. So, if you like content like this and want to see more, I'm still planning on putting some out. Please smash the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's see what we got from Bellroy. Just gonna open up this package. This is the first time I've seen the inside. I got a little piece of paper here that I'm not sure if needs to be on camera. And then this nice looking box here. It's like a cardboard box. We got the Bellroy logo there. Over here, Bellroy X Carryology slim sleeve. And then, yeah, same thing over here, barcode, words from Bellroy. This definitely is like a cardboard box. I would bet it's probably recycled. And inside, oh, over here, day one, let's make it count. I can register the product for all sorts of benefits. We have this nice textured piece of paper here. It's got the little shiny hexagons, Carryology X Bellroy, and here is just a very nice message from the Carryology and the Bellroy folks. Let's get that in focus. You can pause the video if you want to read it. And here we have the Chimera slim sleeve. According to the document here, it holds up to 12 cards and folded bills, and we got the Bellroy logo there. Nothing else in the package. It all feels very cardboardy, recyclable. I'm sure I can just put this in my recycle bin and there won't be any problem there. All right, so what do we have here on the slim sleeve? The video sort of picks it up. You see this nice like grid pattern. I think this is reminiscent of the ripstop nylon design they have on the backpack. I personally wasn't able to get one of the Chimera backpacks. I might be looking at getting one in the future, but we'll see. We also have here the Carryology logo, the orange X, and then the Bellroy owl. This is nice ingrained in the leather. And on the other side, the back, we have nothing. Looking at the profile, it's a pretty slim sleeve, I would say, in general. We have a little thread knitting around some of the edges, but not all of the edges. And opening it up, ooh, I'm not sure if you could hear that. There was a little bit of a creak there. And when it opens, we got a nice little indent here, so that hopefully, you know, when it has some bills, it doesn't puff up too much because it's made for that. On the inside, we have Carryology written here, Bellroy written here, and overall it's a simple design. There's a little sleeve here, Carryology X Bellroy, Chimera slim sleeve, all of these details, 3-year warranty, lots of information about it, and that was in a slot here. There's an identical slot on the other side. This card here is a bit of a tight fit. You saw it bended there as I was putting it in. But also in the wallet, they have a behind this sleeve right here and a behind the sleeve right here with this orange pull tab that's supposed to help getting bills out. And that, you see, has a little Chimera logo etched in there. So I'm going to fill this up. I happen to have a collection of library cards that I've established over the years, and they're just right here. I have 15 of them from different places that I've lived and visited, and we're gonna see how these fit in the wallet. So first I'm just gonna try, you know, how does this one library card fit over here? Oh, this comes in very smoothly. This is much smoother than that piece of cardboard that was in there previously. And over here I can put it in, and that fits well. Let's see how many I can get in here. That's 1, 2, 3, riveting, I'm sure. 4. Ooh, the fifth one is tight. Number 6. So six are in here right now. This feels like about as much as it wants. I can try putting in a 7th. Yeah, and this one's giving me trouble. So let's say 6 fit in there, and pulling this little tab extends them out a little bit, and I can take them out and do as I want. So let's put these 6 back in here and see about fitting one up front. I can see a little bit of a bend here at the edge, so if I shove that in all the way, will I be able to fit this over here? I can, maybe. It's really tight here, so I wouldn't recommend 6 cards in as well as trying to put a card above. Maybe if you have like a thin business card or a driver's license that might be extra thin, you can do that. But overall, I think if I take one of these out, so we got 5 down, and this one, it's still tight, but it fit in over there. So 6 cards over here. Let's see if we can fit another 6 in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna put the 6th one back here. Try and fit these 6 on this side. Now this side in all of their advertising was used for cash, but right now we have 12 cards in the wallet, and it doesn't poof up too much. It still closes all the way natively. It wants to spring up a little bit. You can see that. But in my pocket, it would be fine with the pocket holding it, and it's just got a little bit of a bulge there. Getting these out, not too hard. Though the way that they advertised it, they had some cash here, so I just have some nice bills, and I can shove these in and pull them out as I want, and then I can stick, a card here, and I can get 2 cards there, and 3 cards is stretching it, so I wouldn't put any more than that. So now I have 9 cards, plus, okay, so 10 cards and some cash, and it's still a very similar profile to how we saw it earlier. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this Bellroy Chimera slim sleeve. Let's see how it compares to some other similar wallets that I have. So I've always been someone that carries a minimal wallet if I'm carrying a wallet, nothing too thick. I actually want to stick a card in there just to push that yellow tab back. So this is new to me. A wallet that I've been carrying a long time previously has been this here. This is the Accomplice by Capsule. You can see their logo there. It's a corner zip wallet, and you can see the edges are a bit white with use. And over there, I was able to fit in, all 15 of these cards. I just stuff them in there, and the cash can go behind a loop here. And that just closes with the zipper easily and maintains, this isn't full anymore, but a similar footprint in my pocket to the Chimera slim sleeve. So because this does have, layers of material in between bills and the outside, it's going to get thicker than something like this where you have just direct access to cards. Another wallet that I use frequently is the Tom Bin Clear Organizer wallet, and this is something that I'll use when I want to attach it inside of a bag or if I'm putting it inside of my sling. Over here, there are a few pockets. This one you can actually fold bills in half. I just have some bills folded in half in there, and I'm able to just easily fit, once again, all 15 of these library cards into the wallet, zip it up, and its profile is, it's a bit bigger, obviously. You can see, definitely takes up more space, but it's still pretty slim. And this is something I use when I want that zipper and I want to be able to attach it inside a bag or against a belt loop or something, just so I don't lose it. But anyway, yeah, this is the Bellroy X Chimera slim sleeve. I think overall I like it a lot. I'm going to try using it. I'll probably have it in my pocket later today when I'm out and about. So if you like content like this, thank you all for watching. Please smash the like button on YouTube, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Thank you all very much for watching, and have a good day.